Shoreline erosion is a serious problem for Lake Lanier. Boat wakes and waves driven by the wind eat away at unprotected shoreline and cause banks to collapse. When the shoreline erodes, trees and other debris fall into the water, creating safety hazards for boaters and swimmers. Please be aware that these scenes were photographed when the lake level was down over 10 feet from normal full pool. In most cases, the water level would be touching the exposed banks. Eroding banks also lead to increased siltation. As silt builds up on the bottom of the lake, it reduces the water storage capacity and also impacts water quality. Lake Lanier provides drinking water for over 4 million residents in North Georgia. Any reduction in the amount of water available for drinking supplies is a serious concern. In 2015, the Lake Lanier Association commissioned a study of island shoreline erosion, which was conducted by representatives from the University of North Georgia Institute for Environmental and Spatial Analysis. They examined satellite photos of 21 islands located south of Browns Bridge on the Hall County side of the lake. They found the total landmass of these islands has decreased by an average of 11% from 1980 to 2010. This confirms a serious concern for future health of our lake islands. Several of the islands included in this study have lost over 35% of their landmass during this 30-year period. The total landmass lost from these 21 locations is estimated at slightly over 83,000 cubic meters. In 2015, the Lake Lanier Association completed the first island riprap project. The island is located at the south end of the Three Sisters Island. This project involved the installation of over 1,000 tons of stone covering approximately 600 lineal feet. 100% of the cost of this project was funded by the Chantal and Tommy Backwell Family Foundation. Marine Specialties completed the installation work, Bluegrass Materials and Cumming provided the stone, and Grizzle Trucking provided hauling services. We were successful in developing additional partnerships with Hall and Gwinnett County. Hall County voters approved a SPLOST referendum which allocated funds for shoreline protections on Lake Lanier. The Gwinnett County Department of Water Resources also agreed to contribute funds towards this effort to protect island shoreline. In the summer of 2016, the Corps of Engineers issued permits to the Lake Lanier Association for the completion of 4 more island shoreline riprap projects. These 4 permits include approximately 500 lineal feet of riprap to be installed on an island located at marker 6 mile 4, approximately 650 feet on an island at marker 18 just north of the Aqualand gas docks, 1,000 feet on an island near Van View Park, and 1,000 feet on Browns Bridge Island across from the northern part of Port Royal. These 4 projects will total approximately 3,150 lineal feet and will require approximately 6,500 tons of stone. The installation work on these 4 locations began in late 2016. Marine Specialties is serving as the prime contractor for this project. Vulcan Materials is providing the riprap rock, and Grizzle Trucking is hauling the rock from Vulcan quarries in Dahlonega and Flowery Branch. During the spring and early summer, we plan to survey additional island locations to determine ones most in need of shoreline protection. We will also expand our discussions in search of additional funding partners. The installation of shoreline protection is an extremely expensive process, but worthwhile process. The cost to install the 3,100 plus feet of shoreline protection in the fall and winter of 2016 and 2017 was over $275,000. We desperately need the support of more funding partners to continue this critical effort to protect the future of Lake Lanier.